So I like to be able to quickly toggle the terminal on and off. And not only that, I also like to easily spawn and navigate to different terminal tabs. This way I can have one tab running Laravel, another one running VSCode, and one for Git commands and stuff like that. In this video I'll show you how to set this up in ZED. We'll open the command palette by pressing Command-Shift-P, search for key map, open it, and this is a JSON file with an array where we can customize our key bindings. We'll add an object with context set to workspace, and then we'll have bindings, which is another object where the key is the shortcut and the value is the action we want to execute. In our case, we'll add command-T, and the action we want is terminal_panel toggle focus. I'll save, and now if I press Command-T, the terminal opens. But if I press Command-T again, the terminal does not close. The only thing that happens is the focus is shifted back to the editor. However, we can toggle the bottom dock. The default shortcut for that is Command-J. So what we want is to execute the same toggle bottom dock action when we are pressing Command-T in a terminal context. I'll add another object where the context is terminal, bindings, and we'll have Command-T, workspace, toggle bottom dock. And now if I press Command-T, the terminal opens, and if I press it again, it closes. Great success. What I want to do next is be able to create new terminal tabs. For this, we'll stay in the terminal context and add a new binding for Command-N, which is the same shortcut that creates a new file, but in a terminal context, it will create a new terminal tab. So I can press Command-T to open the terminal and then Command-N to add new tabs. Finally, to circle between tabs, we can press Command-Shift and then the left and right square bracket to navigate back and forth. And that's it. Quick, easy, and hopefully super productive terminal setup in ZED.